wasn't disappointed. I'm actually. I'm getting very angry. This is what's happening here. Paano naman? Wala talaga. 220 meters, 55 million. Completed ang record ng Public Works. Walang ginawa, kahit isang araw hindi nagtrabaho, wala. Wala kang makita, puntahan ninyo, wala kayong makita kahit na ano. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagbaha doon sa kabila. So, yes.
Sir? Sir?
If all of these projects were properly executed and implemented, ang laki nang nawala na problema sana sa atin at sa mga taong bayan. At saka mas magiging maayos hanggang irrigation, hanggang water supply, fresh water supply for households. Pero ito yung ginagawa nila talagang